Hey everyone, I wanted to make a quick video of installing a Walbro 525 Hellcat pump using a CTS 425 kit. So this is kind of what I did. You'll notice that there needs to be some actual cutting. So there is a cut here, so then that way the fuel level sensor can actually fit. Then also down here, there's some extra cutting that happens so you can actually get this into the bucket. I also put a zip tie around this. I used I don't know which number it is, but here are the two numbers. But there is the OEM fuel injector. I think it's the top one, which is the bigger one. That is the O-ring that I use, because the O-rings that actually come with the kit are way too big with the black little spacer that actually comes with it. So these ones work a little bit better and use a lot of lubricant and slowly push it in there so you don't actually break anything. Other than that, this is for the all-wheel drive Audi A3, S3, or VW MK 7 Golf R. Otherwise, you'll have a blue top, which is for four-wheel drive or front-wheel drive cars. So basically, this is what it looks like. These two connectors right here. One is for your fuel sender, so it's the one that's on the bottom, and the one on the top is going to be for your other wires that are actually for the, I believe, the other pump for that pushes into the kit. Also, you'll notice that there's another two hoses. One actually is dumping into this, and then also there's another hose that goes right here. It actually doesn't connect to that piece. Originally I thought it did. Wasn't really paying attention when I took it out. So just wanted to make this video to actually help any others that actually are doing this. Also, there's a plastic like cap that goes on top of this. Remove that, so then that way you have a little bit more clearance when you put it all back together. So at the top of the actual pump, there's these two round discs that are here. You're gonna want to shave down as close as possible to where this piece is right here. So then that way you can actually push the pump up as flush as possible, and you'll get a little bit more clearance. Pretty much here's the actual pump all assembled. Again, there is, I think, you can barely see it, but the piece that basically I had to shave down, so this one actually doesn't hit. You can see right here. So if you shave that down, this will give you enough clearance so then that way the fuel sender actually works properly. And then other than that, here's the plug as well with the actual sender plugged in, and then both of the actual tubes hooked up. So again, this one right here doesn't really hook up to anything. It just fills the actual basket up. And then again, I've just put a zip tie around basically the whole pump, as I was a little worried that maybe the pump would actually like come out. So anyways, have any questions, go ahead and leave me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.